Welcome to Jewel Vision 3D. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your metal. This is the ring file that I'm going to use to change the metal color. The first thing is we have to select the metal options. To selecting the metal options, on the right side of the panel, you have an option to select the metal. As you can see, the red lines, the metal has been selected. To change the color, on the top panel, you have a metal options. You can choose the color you want and you can change the color of the ring. As you can see, if you want a specific color, you can click on here and you can change the color. As you can see, the color has been changing. If you want to make a dual tone color ring, so using the shift and right click, you can select the metal. As you can see, it is selected and I am changing the color to white. As you can see, you can make it dual tone color file. Make sure this file is not a one-piece file. And in this way, you can change the color of your metal very easily. I'm also adding this option, like option to select the intensity. If you select the intensity like 14 kt and you choose a profile, okay, and you just apply on this ring. As you can see, the ring color has been changed. This is the intensity of the color and this is the profile that we have created using the setting options. You can create your own profile using this metal configuration. So if you want a color such as, you can choose 22 kt. This is the hash code. You can apply and you can save. You can write your name and you can submit. And this way you can create your metal profile.